Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Pynkup bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thamai Old Beat House Shillong.
Rakhe ka Women's Day da ka health checkup, Ringkat bat ka Woodland Hospital Shillong.
Kum shibanta ka jingrakhi ka National Science Day, Jong Newsnem Arajar Arpuway. Ka State Council of Science, Technology and Environment, Meghalaya, Haringkat lang ka jingkershan jong ka NCSTC, ka DST, ka GOI, bat ka Planning Department jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya ha ka arterik unay leber arajar arpuway, kala Pynkup Burom ki kena school ki bala pas baha ha ka subject science but mathematics, jong ka examine secondary school leaving certificate, bat ka higher secondary school leaving certificate, jong usnem arajar arpo. Kidon hadu prangut ki kena school na ki school baper jong ka jilla barok kawai ki bala pas baha ha kini ki artli ki subject ha ka secondary school leaving certificate ki bala sha Pynkup Burom ha kini ka sngi kuntubru ya sangut ki bala pas baha ha ka examine higher secondary school leaving certificate kat ba argut ki waipat kidai ki bala pas baha ha ka crash tuition program ha ka subject mathematics. Hagani kisngi la sakilang ru da program officer jong ka State Council of Science, Technology and Environment Meghalaya uba CP's aim kuntub ru ya ka principal jong ka Shillong College ka kong E Kharkongor ka Special Officer Directorate of School Education and Literacy ka Sorkar Jilla ka kong TM Pengro bat kiway.
This as a challenge, even though you may say that the subject science and technology and mathematics is quite difficult, but then a challenge is something you must learn to overcome. And these two students have shown a great example that even though they come from a background that with very little bit resources, but they have come up to the top of the mountain, as we can say, as it is truly said that for every success a single step needs to be taken, and it is seen in these students that a small step that they have taken in their journey, and they have shown that these small steps can really bring you success in life and success in their studies.
And when you think of mathematics, as a non-science student, as an economics teacher, and as an economics student, when I think of mathematics, I can't think of any definition of mathematics. What came to my mind was a statement, a definition of one public economist when he defined the public budget, the importance of the public budget. And he said, it is matters of arithmetic. It is matters of numbers that can make and unmake governments. So as a student of economics, this was the definition of mathematics to me. However, we all know that science and mathematics, they always go together. Because scientific experiments, they arrive at factual conclusions based upon calculations, based upon formulas, the basis of mathematics. They are not independent of each other. So I encourage, I heartily congratulate all the students who have done their best in these two subjects, which might seem indomitable to others. But I am confident that they can no longer remain indomitable also to others. Because we have departments like the Scste. And to tell you, Shillong College have been collaborating with many programs with science and technology with Pasim and his team. The free crash course tuition on mathematics that was conducted, we were very glad to have been able to contribute in a small way. And let me tell you also that Shillong College is collaborating again with science and technology in conducting Scste training program so that students have the passion for experimentation. Because in the current context of the pandemic that we are facing today, what is needed is to motivate young minds, to experiment. And we have departments to help them innovate strategies using available resources, so that by the use of locally available resources, we can develop strategies.
When we came to know that science and technology are conducting crash course in science and mathematics, not only in the town, but especially in the rural areas. We find it very difficult to get a good science and mathematics teachers in the rural area. And that is one of the reasons why students from rural areas could never do well in science and mathematics. You should have that determination to keep up, to work hard, so that you will become one of the stars of not only the school where you've passed out, but the stars of the state as a whole.